Right. Let's get to it. Okay. Goodness. There we go. Right, let's get you in here. Oh, God. Oh, that's a shame. That was quite catchy, actually. Oh, I think I'll leave this till tomorrow.
Excuse me, madam. Thinking of selling your house?
No.
Just a moment. Are you sure?
That much?
Absolutely.
You're on.
What?
Just sign the agreement here. See you tomorrow. There.
Oh, no. Oh. Wait a minute. Okay.
Oh, hello. Can I help you?
Yes, I'd like to book an appointment, please. 12 Arbor Road.
Shall we say tomorrow at 11?
Okay. Thank you. Right, we haven't got long. Off we go. Now, just only that. There we go.
One last outing? Oh, go on then.
I'll see you later, ladies.
Morning.
Bye.
Hello. Off we go.
Perfecto. First viewing of the day. Oh, hello. Ooh.
Oh, hello.
Why don't we start...
Yeah.
Don't you want to see the...
So this is it, is it? No. No, I'd like to start outside, please.
Okay.
The shed. Can I see inside the shed?
Oh.
Thank you.
Oh. Cake? Hey! Let me out! Hey! What's going on?
There we go. Excellent. Stage 1 complete. Oh, maybe just perfect. Oh, good morning. Come in, come in, come in, come in. Oh, you found the floorboard. Well, there are some superficial things, of course, but nothing to worry about. Oh, well, that's easily mended. All right, well, if you'd like to follow me upstairs. Right, well, this is very much the deluxe part of the property.
Let me out! Oi! Oi!
Yes, well, the neighbours are a little noisy. One of the neighbours seems to have escaped. I'll just be a moment. Stay there. No, oh no.
Oi! Open this door! Open this door!
I think I'll come with you if you don't mind.
Wait! Give me that!
Get off me! Get off! Get off! Get off! Get off!
Wow.
Welcome.
Hello.
You again? Oh, sorry. Come on through.
Carefully now.
This way.
Smells a cat. Carefully. Not bad.
Come back! Come back!
What? Right.
It won't be the same without you. Oh, you'll miss this. To us. To us.
Okay. Perfect. Now, wait. No.
There. Perfecto. Only one left. This way. Don't mind him. Let me show you the kitchen.
See you soon.
The deal's off.
Aye? You what? Looks like you're staying then. Aye? What? Oh! 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 Bane!
Yes. There we go.
Careful!
We're off to see Larry's sweet note. He's lovely.
Oh, really?
Ready for lunch with my mummy?
Oh, dear. Can I come with you?
Old people only. Let's get going.
Ow! Oh, my back's gone again.
Oh, I know about this stuff. You just need to... Hey, ready?
Ouch!
Huh.
Oh,
How's that?
worse. Oh, I must go home.
Oh, let me come. You've got a spare ticket now.
All right, but it's old people only, so...
I'll be right back.
Beanie!
Sorry, Irma, I'm busy. Bye.
Every time!
Right. There we go. That was easy. There. Excellent. Right, off we go. This is what I need. Mrs. Wicket. I'm coming.
Come on!
Is that your new boyfriend?
Get out of it!
In her dreams. Morning. That. I'll sit here, I think.
Oh, the window seat's mine.
Charming. Oh, dear. Oh, Teddy, would you like to have a look out the window? Yes, go on.
Get off!
Oh, sorry. Naughty Teddy. He's really sorry. Oh. There's a thought. That must be in here somewhere. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, dear. There we go.
Oh!
Oh, dear. Here, that's... Yeah. Oh. Oh, would you like this one?
Sit still and be quiet.
Charming. Oh. Delicious.
Oh!
Raina!
Oh!
Oh, I know. Right.
Oh! Too noisy.
Okay. Oh. Ah. Oh, I like these. Oh, goodness.
Oh!
Take a look at this.
Bean!
Oh, suit yourself. Oh, I know what I'll have. Oh. Oh, oh.
Yuck! Oh no. I'm sorry, ladies and gentlemen. Looks like we've got a puncture.
We're going to be late.
Oh, I know. If you're happy, then you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy, then you know it, clap your hands. If you're what's the point? Oh, why don't we play some music? Here we go. Oh, sorry.
Turn it off!
Turn it off!
Shocking noise.
Oh. Oh, I've got an idea. Here. Could I borrow that? Okay. Ducks in a row, 22. Legs 11. Doctor's orders, number 9.
House? Oh, what do I win?
The rest of the sweets.
Oh, what a swizz.
We're going to be late. And we're going to miss the show.
Oh. I'll try to chivvy him along a bit. Hello, let me help.
No, I've got this.
No, I insist.
Out of the way.
Give it to me.
Oh, my arm. Oh, I can't drive with this.
Oh, we're never going to get there now.
Don't worry, I'll drive. And off we go. Oh, I always wanted to be a bus driver. Out of the way! All right. Which way? Oh, now I'm trying to understand which one. No. There it is. Here we are, everybody.
Oh, I think I'm going to be sick.
Oh, good evening. Oh, yes. I'll take a packet, please. Thank you very much. Oh, well, this might not be too bad.
Thank you. Thank you. Great to be here. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, no.
Vane?
Oh, no, don't worry. I know what to do in this situation.
No.
You ready?
God, it's off. Sorry. Get out.
Oh, I know. Shh. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. not long now, Teddy. Oh, this chair. Honestly. Oh, no. Oh, no. No, 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 no.
Eh? Bane!
Oh, hello. Disaster. Gonna have to start again.
Well, seeing as you're not going anywhere, you can stay in for this delivery.
What?
I'm off out.
All right. Ow.
Chair for Mrs. Wicket.
Yes, yes, hello.
Here. You're not Mrs. Wicket.
No. But... I'll just go and get her. Quick, 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 quick. Perfect. Oh, hello.
Huh?
Can I help you?
You're lovely. Where do you want your chair?
In the lounge.
What?
In the lounge, please. Oh, actually, put it upstairs in the upstairs lounge. This way. In here. Oh, no.
There you go.
Oh,
Do you want me to take that out for you?
oh, yes, if you wouldn't mind. Oh, no, leave it there. Thank you. Bye.
Cheerio, then.
Cheerio. Oh, excellent. Oh. Yeah. And there. Oh, no, not again. Oh, look at that. Oh, now what?
Hello. This is for you.
Oh, hello. Very lovely, thank you. Bye. Oh, no. Hello.
Shall we go out? Cinema? Ice skating? Lunch?
Oh, you're on.
I used to deliver here. You'll like this place.
Oh, is this it?
Yeah.
Very good. Oh, nice. Oh, lovely.
This way. Table for two.
Excellent.
Allow me.
Oh, thank you. Oh, no, I'll keep that. Thank you. It's a little chilly. Okay. So,
Your order, please.
Salad, please.
Oh, very good.
ooh, I think I'll have one of everything. No, wait. Two of everything. Thank you.
Two of everything.
So,
Madame. Bread?
Oh, I love bread. Get that. Get off.
Oh.
Get.
Oh.
Lovely.
Soup of the day.
Thank you. What's... Just takes forever.
Garlic bread.
I do beg your pardon.
Back in a minute.
I might have another one of those. What? Come here. Ow! Ow! What? Oh, no! Oh.
Ah, have you done something to your hair?
Yes. Do you like it?
Two of everything, madame. Salad.
I thought the delivery boy.
A slice of pie.
I'll have the whole pie, please.
Then I woke up as a delivery man.
Dessert for two.
Oh, lovely. Off.
Oh,
Thank you. Oh, get one for yourself. Oh, what a treat.
lovely. Excuse me, the bill, please.
Oh, very nice.
The bill.
Right. So I had this, and you had this, and all these. So that means the rest is yours.
All right. What? Excuse me while I, go to the, just be a minute. Oi! What's your problem? Oh, yes, of course. Sorry! Sorry.
What? I didn't have all this. We're going to split the bill. When she comes back, been a long time. Mrs. Wicket? Mrs. Wicket? Oh. She's gone.
Sir?
Ah. Right.
Bean, where's me chair?
Here. Oh, they never look like the pictures, do they? Very nice. Lovely. What is that?
Hello. Mrs. Wicket, please.
Yes?
You're not Mrs. Wicket.
Yes, I am.
Yeah, the one who lives upstairs with the new chair.
Oh, no.
Bean!
Oh, hello.
That's my chair.
I can explain.
Downstairs. Now.
Wicket, you are
Honestly, you're welcome.
Deliveries, eh? Oh, you made me laugh.
There we go. Let's try again. I'm going to throw it like that, and you catch it. Oops. Oh. All right, Teddy. We'll have another go. Oh, what is that delightful smell? No, it's not that. Is it you, Teddy? No. Beautiful.
Nice, innit? Got it for me birthday. My garden! Give me that!
But no. Oh.
Miss Wince is gonna love this.
Oh, look at that. Oh, hello. Please, after you. Aha. No, there's nothing left. Oh. Right. There we go. Excellent. Oh. No, there's hardly any left. Ah. There. Oh, hopeless. I know. I'll make my own. Lovely. Right. And maybe a bit of this. Essence of Teddy. There we go. Teddy smell. There we are. Oh, he likes the fish. Yellow. I need something yellow. Yellow. There we are. And maybe a bit more. That's better. Oh, quick. No. She's back. Oh, forgotten. Oh, no.
Lovely. Oh, go on then. One squirt, mind. Expensive stuff, this.
Ah.
Bane!
Oh, hello.
That's not my perfume.
No, this is much nicer.
Really?
Oh, Scrapper likes it too.
Get off. It's mine now. Can you make more of this stuff?
Yes, I can.
Hello, come on in. Come on in.
Free sample. Yours will be ready soon. It better be. Right, you. Outside.
Have we got everything? Flowers, lemon juice, Teddy. Excellent. There's something missing. Of course, the fish.
How many do you want? Special offer. 2 for the price of 2.
Yes, I'll have 2.
Oh, thanks. Right you are.
Have a sample squirt. Oh, that's nice.
There we go. The magic ingredient. Okay. Ta-da! Good afternoon, ladies. Oh, have I got something for you? And one for you.
Oh, lovely.
A very high quality product, madam. There we go.
Oh, gorgeous.
What?
10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
What about me? What do I get out of it?
Oh, all right. You can have this back.
What?
Oh. No. Oh, no, come on, get off.
All these cats.
Scrapper! I told you, outside.
Oh, no. No. Shoot.
Oh, delicious.
Bean.
Oh,
Oh, yuck!
What are you doing?
Getting rid of all them cats.
No, 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 no. Oh!
Thank you.
Oh,
Thank you.
oh.
Thank you.
Go and say something else. Ow!
Hunt